Here I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then let's here find and select settings. From the list of settings we need to scroll down and choose display. Now let's tap on wallpaper, the first option, and here you can use wallpaper from your gallery, from live wallpapers, from system wallpapers, or just from wallpapers. Let me use the last option, and here you can choose the wallpaper from your photos, or you can use one of the following ones. So in my case, let me use for example the bubbles. The device is loading the wallpaper. This is the live wallpaper. Let's tap set wallpaper, and now as you can see I should see my new wallpaper. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.